Ang lesson natin today ay ang paggamit ng English adverb na always, na sa Tagalog ay palagi o lagi. Always. Example 1. Why are you always butting in on our conversations? Why are you always butting in on our conversations? Kahulugan? Bakit ba palagi kang nakikisabad sa usapan namin? Or, bakit ba palagi kang sumisingit sa usapan namin? Next, you can always count on me. You can always count on me. Makakaasa ka palagi sa akin. You're always complaining. You're always complaining. Lagi ka na lang nagrereklamo. Why are you always blaming me? Why are you always blaming me? Bakit ba lagi mo na lang akong sinisisi? I always take a shower before going to bed. I always take a shower before going to bed. Lagi akong naliligo bago matulog. You always do that. You always do that. Palagi mong ginagawa yun. Do you always take vitamins? Do you always take vitamins? Palagi ka bang umiinom ng mga bitamina? There's always somebody at home in the evenings. There's always somebody at home in the evenings. Laging may tao sa bahay sa gabi. Always tell the truth. Always tell the truth. Palagi kang magsabi ng totoo. Always lock your car. Always lock your car. Lagi mong ilak ang sasakyan mo. I wonder why he's always criticizing me. I wonder why he's always criticizing me. Bakit kaya palagi niya na lang akong pinupuna? I always sing while in the shower. I always sing while in the shower. Lagi akong kumakanta habang naliligo. She's always late for class. She's always late for class. Palagi siyang huli sa klase. Always arrive early for a job interview. Always arrive early for a job interview. Lagi kang dumating ng maaga sa job interview. Why are they always laughing? Why are they always laughing? Bakit palagi silang nagtatawanan? He is always taking things from my desk without asking. He is always taking things from my desk without asking. Palagi siyang kumukuha ng mga gamit sa mesa ko nang hindi nagpapaalam. He always tries but he doesn't always succeed. He always tries but he doesn't always succeed. Palagi niyang sinusubukan pero lagi siyang nabibigo. You always have a high opinion of yourself. You always have a high opinion of yourself. Ang taas lagi ng tingin mo sa sarili mo. Jay always favors Ilona. Jay always favors Ilona. Palaging pinapabura ni Jay si Ilona. Is it always like this? Is it always like this? Palagi bang ganito to? You always look neat and clean. You always look neat and clean. Lagi kang mukhang maayos tsaka malinis. He always flares up. He always flares up. Laging umiinit ang ulo niya. Gina and I have always gotten along. Gina and I have always gotten along. Palagi kaming magkasundo ni Gina. Maricel is always watching TV. Maricel is always watching TV. Palaging nanonood ng TV si Maricel. Why are you always frowning? Why are you always frowning? Bakit palagi kang nakasimangot? This area is always filled with tourists. This area is always filled with tourists. Laging puno ng turista ang lugar na to. I always forget my phone. I always forget my phone. Lagi kong nakakalimutan ng telepono ko. Why do you always wear a cap? Why do you always wear a cap? Bakit palagi kang nakasombrero? I always feel lazy. I always feel lazy. Palagi akong tinatamad. You're always changing your mind. You're always changing your mind. Palaging pabago-bago ang isip mo. My neighbor is always drunk. My neighbor is always drunk. Palaging lasing ang kapitbahay ko. Always keep your jewelries in a safe place. Always keep your jewelries in a safe place. Lagi mong itago sa ligtas na lugar ang mga alahas mo. My perfume always gets confiscated at the airport. My perfume always gets confiscated at the airport. Palaging nakukumpiska ang pabango ko sa airport. Do you always go out on Friday evenings? Do you always go out on Friday evenings? Lagi ka bang lumalabas kapag Biyernes ng gabi?